Hello, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel CS Tech Vidya. Yes. So today I'm going to start new playlist on developing the web applications with Python programming language. Okay. Yes. And for this playlist, so you no need to have any prerequisites. And if you are college student or non-IT professionals or career gap, okay. So everyone, like career switch. If you are preparing for data analyst, data engineer, data scientist, or including AI, okay, Gen AI or agentic AI, whatever it is. So everyone can follow this playlist. So you will get all the required skills for developing the production level web application with Python and other technical stuff. Okay, we will see what are the technical stack we can cover in this playlist little later. Okay, so these are my target audience. Okay, these are my target audience. So if as I said, so you don't need any prerequisites to follow this playlist. Okay, okay, what are the main key takeaways? If you decided to follow this playlist, so what are the main key takeaways you can get from this playlist is, so you can build your logical thinking. Okay, you can build your logical thinking, and you can write and implement the programs, most importantly without using any AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini AI. So this is my core challenge for this playlist. Okay, so until module 1, okay, what is module 1? I mean, what are the topics we can see module 1? I will cover. So up to this module 1, I will encourage, so I would request everyone to stop using AI tools to write the logical thinking, I mean to implement your logical thinking and programs. Okay, so if you continue use AI tools, so you cannot think, you will not improve your logical thinking, and you cannot write your own programs, and you cannot fix or find bugs in your program. Okay, so in my point of view, okay, if you are belongs to any this category, okay, if you are belongs to any this category, so use the AI to learn the topic. Okay, to learn the topics, but don't use the AI for solving the problems. Okay, you can use AI for understanding the problem, but don't try to use the AI for building the programs and solving the problem. Okay, this was my core intention, guys. Okay, yes, I don't know how many of you agree or not, so just if you agree, so just follow. Okay, yes, by end of 15 days, okay, so by end of 15 days definitely you will realize the power of avoiding the AI, definitely. Okay, yes. So before starting the playlist and actual topics and content, so let me introduce myself. So I am Bhupati Vijay Kumar. So currently I am staying in Hyderabad and my native place is Karimnagar. Okay, yes. I have total 9.5 years of real-time experience in developing the web applications, data analytical applications, cybersecurity applications. Okay, and these are my core technical skills. So Python, Django, Fast API, Django REST framework, Flask, Postgres, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib. These are my core technical skills. Okay, yes, and I used Streamlit for deploying my data analytical applications and some cybersecurity applications. Okay, and I worked on automation scripts as well. Okay, so currently I'm working on Gen A and agentic AI applications, and parallelly I'm working on data engineering also. Yes. Okay, so these are my contacts. Okay, I am available on calls and WhatsApp on this number, and if you want me to connect with me through email, you can also always reach out to this email. Okay, I will definitely respond, and I will get we can discuss further. If you have any doubts or any clarifications, or you need any more details about the topic, so please be feel you can always contact me on this number. Okay, definitely I will help you guys. Okay, yes. So this is about little introduction about me. Okay, the major part. Okay, so from this playlist, so once we complete the Python module 1, okay, so what we're gonna build is, okay, so full stack web application. I said full stack web application, right? Yes. So to develop this application like production level, okay, so production level application, so you should have these skills. Okay, so one is Python, Postgres or any database, Django framework and Django REST for APIs. Okay, and HTML, CSS, JavaScript for front end and dynamic behavior. And these are must and mandatory skills for every developer. Okay, Git and GitHub. Okay, CI/CD pipelines to deploy your application, Docker, Kubernetes, and AWS cloud. Okay, so when coming to AWS cloud and Docker, Kubernetes, so we'll learn basics and basic the skills required to launch our web application into internet. Okay, so those are the skills we can cover in these three topics. Okay, yes. So duration for complete playlist is, so I'm planning for 90 days. I'm planning for 90 days. Again, it's all depends on your support and your feedback. Okay, yes. So as I said earlier, so first 15 days I will explain the topics. Okay, so today I will cover all the topics that we can cover in this Python. Okay, only in Python. Okay, so once we complete, so I will do a separate video on Postgres, Django, and DRM. Okay, I can for a timing, just let me open. Just a second. Yes. So in the module one, okay, I mean my sessions are like I'm sessions are like if anyone wants to attend offline classes, okay, if anyone wants to attend all offline classes, please contact me on this number. So I will definitely tell you all the details. Okay. Yes, this is my what I'm available on WhatsApp and mobile. Okay, call. Okay. Yes. Okay. So weekly 5 days from Monday to Friday and daily 2 hours 15 minutes. Okay, 7:30 to 9:45 p.m. Or we can like we can make it to 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Okay, so 90 minutes for class and next 30 minutes is for doubts clearance session. Okay, yes. So apart from this every second Sunday or Saturday, so we can have 2 hours to 3 hours on workshops. Okay, like in this workshop you will build like resume preparation, problem solving skills, LinkedIn management, mock interviews. Okay, career guidance, most importantly AI literacy. Okay, how this AI is impacting our career and what are the skills you should get to survive in your IT industry. Okay, those kind of things. And all these workshops are conducted by me and real-time working professionals. Okay, I'll get some hiring managers like recruiting team and hiring managers for building the LinkedIn and resume preparation and career guidance. Okay, and real-time working professionals like developers who are working as a data engineer and a data analyst, so for building the projects and how we can solve the problem and mock interviews. Okay, so this is like my entire curriculum. Okay, major how can I say like schedule. Okay, yes. So in the module one, Python, what we can cover is okay. So this module one, as I said earlier, okay, as I said earlier, so try to avoid using AI. Okay, try to avoid using AI. Okay, so just be confident, learn whatever. Like if you don't like my way of explanation or if you don't understand the topic or anything, so use AI to understand the problem and understand the topic. Okay, or understand the problem. Okay, but don't use AI to solve the problem. Okay, yes. Okay, so in module one we'll cover introduction to Python, features, environment setup, and identifiers, variables, keywords, data type operators, and some in detail about data types. Okay, and some common functions that we'll use regularly in our day-to-day life. Okay, and basics of hoops, typecasting, conditional, control flow, and data types. Most important is the data types and work functions higher order. Okay, I'm not naming everything, but what I'm telling, I wanted to put it here is like so let's assume if you are writing code for 3 hours to 4 hours in a day. Okay, okay, on Python project. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, it is Gen AI or agentic AI, anything. Okay, maximum 2 hours. 2 hours. You will write your program on these topics. Okay, so without using list, tuple, dictionary, set, frozen functions. Okay, strings, numbers. Okay, like basic functions, you cannot write any project. You will not implement any project. Okay, trust me. So you can check or you can ask ChatGPT or any other tool or your friends or your relatives who are working in the real time projects. You just check with them. Let's assume if they are working for 3 to 4 hours in a day for developing the script or implementing the project. So 2 hours, maximum 2 hours, they will work on these topics only. Okay, so without these topics they cannot write any code. Okay, so along with this, like they will work on some frameworks. Okay, like libraries, pandas, numpy, and some APIs, some configurations. Okay, some configuration, other stuff will be there. But all these frameworks, all these libraries, all these concepts work with these topics only. Okay, yes. So next, module 2, okay, little advanced, okay, little advanced, okay. So you will learn about anonymous functions. So okay, what is lambda, map, filter, reduce, like I mean you'll okay, those things. And file management, most important guys, okay, file management, okay. If you know how to work with the files, so definitely you will work, I mean you can easily get into data, any data domain, okay, data engineer, data analyst, or data scientist, or any domain, okay. Excel, we'll see how to read Excel files, how to read CSV text files, and binary files as well, okay. So binary files as well. And some of the Python packages, OS, pathlib, shuttle, sys, datetime, random, okay, itertools, openpxl, generators, decorators, exception handling, logging, okay. And most important topic, oops, okay, all your frameworks, okay, machine learning, deep learning frameworks like pytorch, scikit-learn, okay, matplotlib, cburn, visualization libraries, everything built on oops, okay. So every framework, most of their code implemented using oops, okay. So we will cover, dedicate at least 15 to 20 days, okay, at least 15 to 20 days. So we will build real-time applications using oops concept, okay. You should thoroughly master this oops, okay. So next, some important topics like I mean advanced collections, regular expressions, multi-threading, asynchronous programming, okay. These are the libraries for your, like I mean connecting with third-party APIs using the simple Python programs. Okay, yes. So these are the module 2. Okay, so as I said, so current my focus is on building the module 1. Okay, module 1. Okay, if you like this module 1, okay, I will definitely I will cover, like I mean I will post free videos until string. Okay, until string and boolean concepts. Okay, and once you master, okay, once you feel okay, okay, you can always contact me on this number for real-time online classes. Okay, yes. For any other details, like I mean cost or any other details, you can freely contact me. I will explain. Okay, yes. And most importantly, like I mean if you wanted to be part of my online recording, okay, if you wanted to be part of my online recording, you can please contact me, so we can connect together and we can record this playlist together, and we can put it on YouTube. So this is about little about Python. Okay, yes. So like I mean as I said, so our main mission, okay, our main target for this next 15 days is what is avoid AI. Okay, just to focus on programming concept, learn basics, practice, keep on practice programs. Okay, and if you get blocked or if you get stuck, okay, you can contact me or you can use your AI tools. Okay, yes. So let's next, so we'll start introduction about Python and why we need to learn Python. Okay,